Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rashad Fadli Al Yusuf. I'm from class 3G. A computer system component hardware. Hardware is the physical component of a computer that can be seen and heard. Hardware is an essential component in the operation of computers and other electronic devices. Without the right hardware, software will not have a platform to run and perform its tasks. That's a little explanation of what hardware is in a computer. For more details, find out examples of hardware on a computer. 1. Mouse or pointing device. A mouse is a pointer tool for accessing a monitor screen. With a mouse, computer becomes more interactive and drawing through a computer becomes easier. 2. Keyboard. A keyboard is a keyboard that contains all models of letter, number, character, and punctuation. Mark that computer. The keys on the keyboard follow the model of the key on a manual typewriter. The most famous keyboard key is the Enter key. This key is the key to enter data after being typed. 3. Monitor. A monitor is a display media for image output from VGA card. In the past, computer monitor start with black and white tube monitor, CGA color monitors, VGA and SVGA. Now, the monitor that is popular is the LCD monitor. LCD has several advantages, including being cost-effective and low radiation level. 4. CPU. CPU is the brain of the computer that performs calculation and data processing. The processor is what carries out all the commands that have been programmed and stored on the hard disk. In the processor, the time clock frequency is known, which is the span of a processor to process program command in 1 second. Clock frequency unit are expressed in Hertz. For example, an Intel Pentium for processor with a clock frequency of 2 is capable of processing 2 billion commands in 1 second. 5. Motherboard. The motherboard is the most important part of the computer because it contains the BIOS, input, output, connection, controller, processor socket, memory socket, graphic card socket, and digital card socket. 6. RAM. RAM is a not permanent data storage unit, meaning that data is RAM will be lost if the power goes out. The size of RAM data is The size of RAM data is expressed in bit, and the RAM access bit is expressed in Hertz. So, in RAM there is not only data, but there are other parameters, namely RAM speed. The RAM speed must match the RAM socket specification on the motherboard. Thank you.